We're gonna make a Malp style track. This is the track like I like it. So I'm gonna be honest, if you can't sample the kick or clap or hat, do it, because you're gonna get for free a free sample with quality, you know. And if you can't, so you try to find something that that's similar. 128 bpm. I think here. Let's give it a try. Oh, okay. So let's put here. The fuck? Okay. That's a clap. It's like a snare, like a tch tch, tipo um chicote, não sei falar em inglês, like a tch tch. And that's like two different claps. One clap snare first, and a second clap. Listen. Tch, ba, psh, ba. Let me see if I can find something similar. That's a short clip. Okay. So we got the kick, we get the clap. The hat's not that is. It's like a. I think it's like a closed hat. Closed hat. Let me see. Let me see if it's like this. But if you put like this, it's gonna be strange. You're gonna you have to put a side chain. So to to get a swing. And you decide how much swing you want. I'm gonna make something here.
Hey, yo, turn my headphones up a little bit.
There's something more on the drums.
Hey, yo, turn my headphones up a little.
Yeah, I will make this. One with this, all the three layers in one, without this. So let's see.
Hey, yo,
The melody to make the bass. to polish the bass, and I have to give more ambience to the drop. I will put some reverb on this hat because I'm muito seco, it's too dry. Just put in the grime. So I will give some more punch on this kick, and I will put a saturator. I need to one. With 20%, you can see the difference. And we have to put a compressor to glue these claps together because 3 layers. So they seem like it's one. It's a very simple tech house slash bass house, but it works on the club, you know. And that's your multi style track. So that's just an exercise. You can use this to make your own track, you know? You pick a reference, uh, you reproduce the reference, and after this, you can start making your own track, you know? After this, who knows? I can make a track using this, you know? That's my point. Uh, it's not to make a perfection remake. It's just to exercise your creativity and start thinking like the big producers and big DJs. You know, that's the point of the exercise.